Yes, yes. Blessings and
Okay,
respect.
so Brother Amaziyah will be doing poetry, will introduce himself, and he's going to do some poetry for us.
Yes, yes. Greetings again, all you distinguished guests. I am
Greetings,
honored to be here.
greetings,
Big up all of
greetings,
you
brother.
NIA family. So I am Amaziyah the Great, aka Craig Kirkland. I am an author. I just produced my first book. It's available on Amazon. And I'll be reading a few poems from it. It's called Don't Cry. But the first poem I'm going to read, it's called Black History Morning. And this poem was written a year ago when I was in Jamaica because I'm in New York at the moment. And, where crime and violence was, escalating, I had to write a poem on Black History Morning. Should I be excited today about Black History Month celebration? When long before my existence, there has been tragedy across the nation. It's all over the media, it's on TV, it's in the paper. Wake up, Jamaica. Too long on been sleeping. Darkness creeping us on us. Demons unleashing. I'm screaming for help. It's like nobody reaching. I'm pleading, I'm bleeding, but you don't care. Too distracted on your phones. You were never here to say, I'm here with you and you are not alone. We envy each other, fighting for a position. Only few fighting for a better life. As we start progressing, dirty bad mind want to take our life. And this was not what Marcus Garvey and none of them fight for. Our ancestors who paved the way, I want to think them die for. People of Jamaica and the government own a plan for deal with the crime rate because we will never progress as a people if we don't change our mind state. What are you going to do about these horrific killings? Pretend they never exist, or will you be willing to stand and fight against these insane acts? Put words to action in just of saying that. I'm saying that. I'm tired of this crime racing like you see on the race track. If we don't unite, every day are the same crap. People flew out of Jamaica and they never came back. They're saying that they will never change that. Especially now them see man gone in a church, gone go spray a shot. People associate themselves with killers, but they will never say that. Artists are glorify guns in a song. I could never rate that, but that's just my opinion. Come in and meditate crap. Let's focus on positive energy. More knowledge, enough to try to gain that. Tell them precisely. Moving on swiftly. Legends are leaving us. Last September when I looked, it was the passing of reggae legend Toots. A few weeks ago, Daddy Uri passed, RIP, another icon embedded in our hearts. Yesterday, after I got the news, reggae icon Bunny Wailer died today, I'm still not in a happy mood. Miss Lou, Bob Andy, you inspired many. Michael Sharp, I'm a general, still loved by many. When we look overseas, Kobe and DMX gone. The legends are really leaving us a wagwan. Bob Marley, Garnet Silk, and Dennis Brown. Honestly, I still wish you were around because some of them treat the business like a circus. Too much clowns. Globally, loved ones are grieving, feeling hurt. Even while I'm speaking, some weeping, the legends are leaving Earth. Powerful black men were put to death. Call it whatever you want. This is a total mess. If it's not sickness, it's murder. Go on, feel free to check. I'm not cold, I speak bold until my last breath. Chadwick Boseman gone too soon. I'm still saying Wakanda forever. My people be wise and realize we are stronger together. Babylon, I want to rise them, tell lies and act like them clever. Some saying Black Lives Matter. Let's see if it'll go get better. But how will it be better when they're divided and ignorant? Distraction, confusion, no progression with ignorance. You're too busy on TikTok watching Gali that comedy joke. I see you twerking on IG, not paying attention to the posts I wrote. We are powerful together. All we need is support, seek knowledge, increase the vocabulary. For life is no joke. Be careful of the foods you consume because poisonous stuff in what they promote. Who created all these disease and virus and claimed there are no antidote? The great legends are gone and I'm feeling provoked. This is no joke, my code will make people stay woke. Are the legends really leaving us or are they being killed? I mean, I know I'm somewhat bewildered. It's just a question I'm asking still. As my mind navigated, invade my thoughts. Why? Evil men reign longer and the good one die early. This concerned me, and I won't lie. Marcus Garvey, Jamaica's first national hero and one of the world's greatest man, united my people all over for Africa was his greatest plan. New story revealed, he met his demise after suffering a stroke. I think they took him out purposely, and this is no joke. It obvious they want to get rid of a powerful black man. I will not sit and be silent. My spoken words explode like bombs. I wish somebody would have confessed about the death of Dr. Sabi, the man who actually cured many diseases, including AIDS, and then things seem crazy. On February 21st, 1965, Malcolm X assassinated. April 4th, 68 in the States, Martin Luther King Jr. assassinated. Tupac, Biggie, Nipsey murdered. You think that's coincidence? Once you have power with the people, them delete you, and that's evident. The great legends are leaving us, only God know why. Michael Jackson, Whitney Houston, and Prince, me still rate them till the day I die. Aaliyah, she was so young when she lost her life in the plane crash, the whole world cry. Gandhi, too, was a great man, assassinated. Why? I could not complete my list of legends and not mentioning King Selassie I. Rest in peace, all you great legends. Work well done. Our ancestors fought long for us to get freedom. Educate yourselves. I will not sit and be silent. I'm not mute, I'm not dumb. Our journey continues perpetually like the rise of the sun. Respect.
That was great.
Just one more before I go. This one is called Respect. I'm gonna do it real quick. You see, yeah, it's really quick. I just want to say respect to all of the people who made this possible. Respect to the ancestors who paved the way. You see, you're saying about got brands in London and some are saying sell out. Elaine Thompson lost the race. Well, if a negative remarks, yell out. Want to expect sure respect because history was created. America bowed down to a legend, honor greatly appreciated. Not just locally but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep a negative remarks to yourself and don't even get close up with it. Be proud of who you are. I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. You see, the problem I encounter every day with my own race. But mine and envy smiling at my own face. Sneakingly, creepingly want to take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance frown face. Lovers gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. Pensive in my thoughts, mind traveling zone space. My girlfriend won't even flex with me, vex with me, says she want time alone space. I try to get her attention focused on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate but display more hate. Anger escalates, too much alarming crime rates. Your morals slowly deteriorates and that concern me. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? Social media is like cancer feeding on your souls, implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourself. Remember you're not alone. So Wagwan, can I get some love now? Sorry, I guess you love your phones. Most of us now understand how essential life is. We still don't waste time and I know what time really is. If only you understood how powerful your mind is, perhaps you'd comprehend how nonsensical hype is. Marcus Garvey say unite, so why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many hate? Can religion and politician make my people elevate? Like morally I'm saying one love. Them I got tired for see me face. Check it out. Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland. It's on Amazon. Blessings and respect and thanks. Big up Jazz Peter for putting the links through.
Great stuff, brother Amaziyah. So now, put the name of your book in the chat, brother.
Okay.
Very nice.
So you've been great, and you know a change is gonna come. All those words that you just talked about, a change.
Yeah, man.
So listen to this song right along here.
Blessings.